are you? Today we are going to draw a hand holding the love sign. Let's begin the drawing from drawing the hand here. So now I start like this. The hand looks like this. There's another finger here. And another finger comes from this side. This is the symbol here. Little bit wrinkles around the finger. This is for the background. We do the background with a very light color. Let's put some shades along the hand. All right, we can make the love sign the red color. We can put a dark shade along this side. Shade becomes lighter as it progresses towards this side. All right, and the shades on hands. The bottom side is little more darker than the upper side. And let's make the hands uniformly, put a shade over it. All right, so this is almost the drawing. I hope you guys like it. Please do the practice, practice and practice, then the drawing will be perfect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.